Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks fantastic. You do have that Dodge badging up front with the chrome. You do also have your halogen headlights right there. They are very bright. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They look the Union Royal tires. They look fantastic. You also got these 17-inch rims on them and lots of tread left. You've got your mirrors hanging out right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the Grand Caravan badging as well as the Dodge. You can open this guy up like this. Lots of room back here as well. You have some extra storage on the side there. And they are stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. Number 1 is up here. Number 2 is right here. 3 is here. And 4 is this guy here, and it does fold the seats into the ground just like that, giving you even more storage. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out, handle here, and some storage here and here. Looks fantastic back here as well. Very comfortable seats, very nice. You do have the controls over your lights right here, so your off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as in-cabin light control here. And up here we do have the controls over the turning signals and our windshield wipers. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, only 6,000, not too many at all. You can switch that around to your trip A and B. You also have your distance till empty, your kilometers, your liters per 100 kilometers, and the temperature outside. That is controlled from right here with your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, and when we are in reverse, we have the ever useful backup camera, keeping us nice and safe, hiding out in our mirror right there. In the center, we do have our radio. It looks awesome. You do have your seek options just up there, as well as your AM and FM. Disc, aux cord, forward and rewind. Then you have your CD player with your eject, your power, your volume. Then you also have your presets down here with your selector and your aux cord plug-in right there. Then down here we do have our mode. We have the temperature control. It is a dual climate system for new passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have the power there, and then you also have the defrosts. Econ mode, you have your hazard lights and your traction control. Some storage right down there, and some storage in there, then even more down there. And then we do have our glove boxes, top and bottom layers. So lots and lots of room there. And then up top you do have some lights, and you also have your sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Lots of room here as well. Very spacious and very comfortable as well. The seats are very soft. You do have some more seats right back there, so you got 7 seats altogether. They do have some cup holders. And then right under here, you can fold these guys up, and you do have some storage underneath there as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.